Hello friends, welcome to the RGTS Software Private Limited. Myself Mahesh Bavalia, I am a founder and CEO of RGTS Software Private Limited. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about the RGTS software product, the ProSignal Android app, as well as the ProSignal web version. So friends, we have the two options to use the ProSignals. First, you can use the ProSignal Android app in your mobile phone. You have to download the ProSignal app in your phone from the Google Play Store. And other option is you can use the ProSignal in your computer via websites. So if you want to use on website, you have to log in on the www.rgts.in website. There is one option, ProSignal login. If you click on the ProSignal login, you just redirect on the login page. So right now I am already logged in. So the home page is coming now, right? So if you don't have application, either ProSignals or ProSignal web, you just log in or sign up from your Android phone as well as from the websites. Okay. So Android app and website both are similar. All the features available on the Android app, it is also available on the website version. Okay. So there is like dashboard, same as in the ProSignal Android app, there is chart. Okay. After in ProSignal Android app, alerts, signals, market and home menu. Okay. So similarly on the website there is alert, signals, market and home menu. Okay. On the website there is few tools are available extra, like one is the Nifty heat map and another is the scanner. So there is trend scanner as well as the golden crossover scanner. All scanner and signal I am going to explain you the step by step. So today in this video I am going to explain you the proprietary trading system, the RGTS signals, right? So there is the RGTS signals. So I'll explain you how to use this chart step by step. Okay. So I'm going to zoom this chart. Okay. So this is the chart you get in your mobile phone as well as on the website. Okay. So you can able to select the chart for NSE signals, means NSE cash, NSE future, as well as MCX signals and option index signals. So on the website, option index signals are given separately. Okay. And on the Android application, the option signals available into future, right? So for option we have the Nifty and Bank Nifty monthly option contract on the Android application and on the website. Okay. So right now there is Aarti Industry chart is open in front of me, right? Okay. So I'm going to explain you the step by step each and every like tools of the chart, right? So first of all, if you see, there is one yellow line. Okay, there is one yellow line crossing the candle from below to above. After the sometime the yellow line crossing the candles from above to below. So this is the candles, right? And this is the yellow line. So normally yellow line is act as in your stop loss. Means if you check here, there is one buy signals, right? So this buy signal buy at 725.50. Okay, these buy signals also display into this 5-minute message board. Okay, so there is different tools. There is message board, also the volatility calculators. Okay, and the volatility calculations. Okay, so every tools have the different use. So first we come on the buy and sell signals. So whenever the yellow dotted line means your stop loss cross the candle above, from above to below, you get the buy signals. Okay. And whenever the candle close below the yellow dotted line, means the yellow dotted line close above the candle, you get one sell signals. So this is the 5-minute chart. Okay, so you get the 5-minute signals. 5-minute means it is useful for intraday trading. Okay, for the particular silver and gold, if you are a commodity traders, you have to use the 15-minute and hourly chart. So there is different strategy for silver and gold. I'll make the separate video for silver and gold. Okay, so this is the 5-minute chart. It is display here, right? And the 15-minute and the hourly for the confirmation purpose only, means our entry start with the 5-minute time frame. We increase our quantity or we build our confidence when the 15-minute and hourly signal will be bullish. Okay, means first of all we get the signal in 5 minutes. After the 5-minute signals converted into the 15 minutes. Okay, and after the 15-minute signals converted into the hourly, means if the hourly is bullish, means on the hourly time frame there is the buy signals. That means overall market trend is bullish. Okay, so now when you get the buy signals, you have to act according the buy signals. You have to confirm with the 5 minutes. Okay, if there is a 5-minute bullish, you get the buy signals. On that time 15 and hourly also green, that means there is the good sign of good bullish trend. Okay, if you confirm 15 and hourly also if you require. Okay, and whenever the sell signal generate, you get the signals and also the display the data on the message board. There is a 5-minute message board. You get the buy signals, buy price, target 1, target 2, target 3 and trailing stop loss. So trailing stop loss is the new concept. Normally traders are not using the trailing stop loss. Trailing stop loss means whenever the position get into your favor, the stop loss slowly start moving into your favor. Okay, and at the certain point your stop loss got hit, the stop loss line started moving above the candles and you get the another sell signals. Okay, so this is the simple strategy, simple method to trade. Also there is the white line. This white line is act as an our trend line. Okay, so above the white line buy signals is run very good, and below the white line the sell signals perform the very good. Okay, so that means if you want to trade according the trend, on that time above the white line you have to take the buy signals only, and the below white line you have to take the sell signals only. Okay, also there is the time as well as the today's high low are display on the title area. Okay, this is the title area. Last trade price means the real time price is display here. This is the LTP. Okay, so this is the signals. This is the chart. You have to follow this chart with the proper discipline and with the money management rules. Okay, money management rules means never risk your capital is more than 2%. Okay, it is only the below the 2% risk every trade. Okay, so always you have to take the risk of 2%, not more than that. Okay, it's the single trade. So if you have the capital, just an example, if you have the capital of 5 lakh rupees, okay, so your minimum 2% will be 10,000 per day. Okay, so right now there is the RT industry chart display the buy price is 725.50, and on that time the stop loss is around 720, means there is a 5-point stop loss. Okay, so 10,000 divided by 5 means 2000 quantity. So you have to take only the 2000 quantity here, not more than that. So okay friends, I think this is the enough informations. Okay, for these signals. More video I'll going to update as soon as possible. Okay, so if you want to trade with the discipline, if you want to make the profit from the stock market, please follow the tutorials properly. There is all tutorials video available on the Android application as well as on the YouTube. I have given the link on the description. Okay, if you don't have the Android application, link available in the description. You just download the Android application from the Google Play Stores. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.